Hello everyone, welcome to Tungal online classes. Let's continue our discussion on rate measure. In that next problem, a stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in circles at a speed of 4 centimeter per second. Waves are move in a circle at a speed of 4 centimeter per second, full point, at the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 10 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? Right? Solution. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake. Suppose this is stone is dropped into a quiet lake. Waves, these are waves. Waves move in circles. These are waves. This is our stone, and assume that this board itself is a lake, right? This board itself is a lake. If you drop a stone on the lake, waves are moving in circles. Initially, radius of the circle, circular wave means circle only. Initially, its radius is r units, right? First wave, its radius I will take it as r. Waves are move in a circles at a speed of 4 centimeter per second. Waves are move in a circles at a speed of 4 centimeter per second. These waves are move away from the center, means its radius is changing, right? According to given data, dr by dt is given. Waves are move at a speed of, moves at a speed of 4 centimeter per second, right? Means waves are move in a circles. Waves move means its radius is changing, right? Radius is changing at a speed of 4 centimeter per second. After some times, radius of the circular wave is 10 centimeter. After certain time, radius of the circular wave is 10 centimeter. After some times, radius of the circular wave is 10 centimeter. Then what is rate of change of enclosed area? Means area of these circular waves. Initially radius is r units. After some times it will be 10 centimeter. Right? We need to find rate of change of enclosed area. Circular wave means use area of the circle formula phi r square. In this case, whether radius of the circular wave is changing with respect to time or with respect to its radius. 4 centimeter per second. Just look at its unit. 4 centimeter per second. 4 centimeter per second. Its radius is changing with time means its area is also changing with time. Differentiate with respect to time, not with respect to r. Why? Because radius is changing with time. Once radius is changing with time, then area is also changing with time only, right? Instead of with respect to r, here differentiate with respect to t. Differentiating with respect to what variable is very important. With respect to t, right? Not with respect to r. Here radius of the circular wave is changing with time, then its area is also changing with time. dA divided by dt Differentiate A with respect to t. Pi constant as it is, r square differentiation 2r into after power inner function is r with respect to t is dr by dt. After getting dA by dt, replace given values r value and dr by dt value. dA divided by dt is equal to pi as it is, 2 as it is, replace r value. R is given, that is 10 centimeter, and dr by dt at a speed of 4 centimeter per second. It is 4 centimeter. That's equal to 80 pi. Can you tell me its unit? Writing unit is very important. Look at left hand side. In the numerator, area is there. It is measured in centimeter square. In the denominator means per. In the denominator, time function is there, so per second. Area of the circular wave is changing 80 pi square centimeter per second. Lastly, write the conclusion. Therefore, area of circular wave is increasing. Why it is increasing? Because we get positive value. Increasing at the rate of 80 pi square centimeter per second. Right? Rate of change of enclosed area of the circular wave. This is our solution. Right? Next problem. In exercise 6.1, in that second problem, in exercise 6.1, in that second problem, the volume of a cube is increasing, right? The value, second question in your exercise, the volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 cubic centimeter per second. What they have given? Volume of the cube is increasing, means dV by dt they have given. Why? Because 8 cubic centimeter per second means volume is changing with time. So dV by dt is equal to dV divided by dt is equal to 8 cubic centimeter per second. Why? Because volume is changing with time. How fast is the surface area increasing? When edge length is 12 centimeter. Take one cube. Whose edge length is x unit. Its volume is increasing, means increase, changes. Volume of this cube is increasing, and initially edge length of the cube is x unit. After some times x value reaches to 12 centimeter. At that time, what is rate of change of surface area of the cube? When x value reaches, when edge length reaches to, what they have given? When x equal to 12 centimeter, at that time what is rate of change of surface area of the cube. Already we know volume of the cube formula. Whenever edge length is x, just differentiate with respect to time only. Why? Because volume is changing with time. So dv divided by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. Now clearly dv by dt value they have given, that's equal to 3x square into dx by dt, but we don't know what is value of dx by dt. So 8 divided by 3x square is equal to dx by dt. Means we don't know at what rate edge length of the cube is increasing, right? At this rate edge length of the cube is increasing. After that our requirement is at what rate surface area of the cube is increasing. Surface area A is equal to formula, surface area of this cube is equal to surface area of the cube, either you can use S or A. Surface area A is equal to 6x square, right? Otherwise you can use S equal to 6x cube or A is equal to 6. After that differentiate A with respect to t. Why? Because we need rate of change of surface area of the cube. So differentiating with respect to time only. Once volume is changing with time, then its surface area also changing with time only. All the parameters changing with same, either with time or with its edge length. So differentiate dA divided by dt is equal to 12x into dx by dt. 6 remains as it is, x square is 2x, inner function x, its differentiation dx by dt. After that dA divided by dt is equal to dA divided by dt is equal to, what is dA by dt? 12x into, replace that dx by dt value, here dx by dt 8 divided by 3x square. After that, after differentiating, put x value 12, already given it is, when edge length reaches to 12 centimeter. So dA divided by dt is equal to, dA by dt at x equal to 12 is 12 into 12 into 8 divided by 3 into 12 whole square. 12 into 12, 12 into 12 get cancelled, 8 divided by 3. Can you tell me its unit? In the numerator area function is there, it's measured in square centimeter per, means divided by. In the denominator time function is there, time measured in seconds. Surface area of this cube is increasing or decreasing? Clearly positive means increasing. Increasing at the rate of 8 by 3 square centimeter per second. It is one of the important 5 mark question. Surface area. Surface area of the cube. Surface area of the cube is increasing at the rate of 8 by 3 square centimeter per second. This is one of the very important 5 mark question, right? Next, question in your exercise, third question. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when its radius is 10 centimeter. Once again I will read the question. The radius of a circle is increasing uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Right? Radius of the circle is changing with time. Dr by dt is given. Dr by dt is equal to, whether dr by dt is positive or negative. Radius of the circle is increasing. Increasing is given means take positive. Dr by dt is equal to 3 centimeter per second with positive sign. Because increasing, radius of the circle is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Find the rate at which area of the circle is increasing when radius is 10 centimeter. When radius value reaches to 10 centimeter, at that time what is rate of change of area of the circle? Right? We know that area of the circle formula pi r square. In earlier cases we have differentiate with respect to r, because in earlier cases we need rate of change of area of the circle with respect to its radius. But in this question our requirement is rate of change of area of the circle with time only. So differentiate with respect to time. Differentiate with respect to t. Then a differentiation with respect to t is dA divided by dt. Is equal to pi into 2r, pi as it is, r square differentiation 2r into dr by dt. Because we are differentiating with respect to t. If you differentiate with respect to r, then simply write 2r only. If you differentiate with respect to t, then use chain rule. Then r differentiation with respect to t is dr by dt. After getting dA by dt, put r value 10 centimeter. dA divided by dt is equal to, dA divided by dt at r is equal to 10 centimeter is pi into 2 into what is r value 10 into what is dr by dt, that is 3, that's equal to 60 pi. What is unit? In the numerator area function is there, it is measured in centimeter square. Per the denominator time function is there, it is measured in second. Centimeter square per second. Area of the circle is increasing at the rate of 60 pi square centimeter per second. Area of the circle is increasing at the rate of 60 pi square centimeter per second. This is our required answer, right? Let's have next problem. Next, in your exercise 6th question, in 6.1, 6th question, the radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. In this case also, radius of the circle is increasing with time, right? In this case also, dr by dt is given, that is 0.7 centimeter per second. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? Rate of change, in this case, rate of change of circumference of the circle. At what rate circumference of the circle is increasing? The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. Full point. What is the rate of increase of its circumference? Already you know circumference of the circle formula. Circumference means perimeter. Circumference C is equal to 2 pi r. Radius of the circle is increasing with time. Then its circumference also increase with its time only. So differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. If you differentiate c with respect to t, then you get dc by dt. 2 pi constant as it is, r differentiation is dr by dt. Right? 2 pi into, already dr by dt is given, that is 0.7. Then 2 into 0.7 is 1.4 pi, that is dc divided by dt. Now write the unit. What is unit? Circumference measured in centimeter, and in the denominator time is there, it is measured in second. 1.4 pi centimeter per second. Its circumference is increasing at the rate of 1.4 pi centimeter per second. Lastly, write the conclusion. Circumference of the circle is increasing at the rate of 1.4 pi centimeter per second. This is our required answer. And lastly, write the sentence. Circumference of the circle is increasing at the rate of 1.4 pi centimeter per second. Right? Next question. And this is very important 5-mark question. The length of x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x equal to 8 centimeter and y equal to 6 centimeter, find the rates of change of first one the perimeter, second one the area of the rectangle. It is one of the very important 5-mark question, right? Just consider an rectangle. The length x, take length x, breadth y. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing. X is decreasing means with time only. Dx by dt. Whether dx by dt is positive or negative. Once increasing is given, then take positive. Once decreasing is given, take negative. Dx by dt is equal to minus 5 centimeter per minute. Because the length x is decreasing. Suppose word decreasing is given, then take negative sign. Suppose increasing is given, then take positive sign. and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute, right? dy by dt is equal to 4 centimeter per minute. Take positive sign. Why? Because y is increasing. Initially length is x, breadth is y. After some times length of the rectangle reaches to 8 centimeter. When x equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, at that time what is rate of change of perimeter of the rectangle and rate of change of area of the rectangle? Now first one, perimeter of the rectangle formula. In a rectangle opposite sides are equal. Then what is perimeter? X plus y plus x plus y means 2x plus 2y. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times length plus 2 times breadth, right? Now differentiate with respect to time only. Then dp divided by dt is equal to 2 constant as it is, x differentiation with t is dx by dt, plus 2 remains as it is, y differentiation with respect to t is dy by dt. After differentiating, replace dx by dt and dy by dt. Then 2 into minus 5, right? 2 dx by dt is minus because decreasing, plus 2 into dy by dt plus 4, then it will be minus 10 plus 8, that is minus 2 dp divided by dt. What is unit? Perimeter is measured in centimeter, divided by time is measured in minutes, so per minute. This negative sign indicates decreasing. Here we get a negative sign, minus 2 centimeter per minute. That negative sign indicates perimeter is decreasing. Write the word perimeter of the rectangle. Rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. Don't write negative sign. If you use word decreasing, then no need to write negative sign. Decreasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. That negative sign indicates decreasing. Perimeter of the rectangle is decreasing at the rate of plus 2 centimeter per second. Here negative sign indicates decreasing, right? Next, second part, find the rate of change of area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle formula, length into breadth. Now differentiate with respect to time only. Then dA divided by dt is equal to x as it is, y differentiation dy by dt. Use product rule. Y as it is, differentiation of x is dx by dt. After differentiating, replace given values dx by dt, dy by dt, x value as well as y value. When x value 8 centimeter, replace dy by dt is also given, that is 4. plus what is y value here? 6 into dx by dt minus 5. The length x is decreasing minus when x 8 centimeter and y 6 centimeter. X as it is, y differentiation dy by dt plus y remains as it is, dx by dt. Now it is 32 minus 30, that's equal to plus 2. It is dA divided by dt. What is unit? Centimeter square per minute. Area divided by time. Here we get positive sign. dA by dt is equal to positive, means area is increasing. Lastly, write the conclusion. Area of the rectangle increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter square per minute. Area of the rectangle, is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter square per minute. This is our required answer. It is one of the very, very important 5 mark question. Rate of change of area of rectangle and perimeter of the rectangle, right? Next question. Next question. A balloon which is always remains spherical. Spherical means sphere only. A balloon which is always remains spherical on inflation, means changing, is being inflated by pumping in 900 cubic centimeters of gas per second. 900 cubic centimeters of gas per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon is increasing when radius is 15 centimeter. This is one spherical balloon whose volume is changing. Volume is changing with time, means its radius is also changing. They have given dV divided by dt is equal to, whether dV by dt is positive or negative, which is inflation by increasing, its volume is expanding, means increasing only, 900 cubic centimeter per second. When the radius of the spherical balloon reaches to 15 centimeter, initially its radius is r centimeter, after some times its radius reaches to 15 centimeter. At that time, what is rate of change of its radius? Means we need dr by dt. Volume of the sphere formula. Volume of the sphere is 4 pi by 3 r cube. 4 pi by 3 r cube, volume of the sphere, and surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. About sphere, surface area of the sphere 4 pi r square, volume of the sphere 4 pi by 3 times r cube. Now differentiate with respect to time. differentiate with respect to time only. Why? Because volume is changing with time. dV divided by dt is equal to dV divided by dt 4 pi by 3 constant as it is 3r square into dr by dt. Use chain rule. Now dV by dt is given, that is 900. 4 pi by 3 into 3 into r square, that is 15 whole square into dr by dt. We don't know what is value of dr by dt, right? Now 3 get cancel. 900 is equal to 4 pi into 225 into dr by dt, right? Otherwise, instead of writing 225, just write 15 into 15 into dr by dt, right? 15 ones are 16 6 sorry 15 6 are 60. Then 15 ones are 15 fours are 4 get cancel, means 1 is equal to pi into dr by dt. Then dr by dt is equal to 1 divided by pi. What is unit? Centimeter per second. Rate of change of radius of the sphere is equal to 1 divided by pi centimeter per second. Whether radius is increasing or decreasing? Clearly increasing. Why? Because we get positive value. Lastly, write the conclusion. Radius of the sphere is increasing at the rate of 1 divided by pi centimeter per second, which is our required answer, right? Next problem. A balloon which is always remains spherical has variable radius. Find the rate at which volume is increasing with the radius when later is 10 centimeter. In this case, rate of change of volume of the sphere with respect to its radius. Initially radius is r centimeter, after some times it reaches to 10 centimeter. At that time, what is rate of change of volume of the sphere with respect to its radius? P is equal to 4 pi by 3 times r cube. In this case, differentiate with respect to what? With respect to r only. Why? Because a balloon which is always remains spherical of variable radius, find the rate at which its volume is increasing when its radius is 10 centimeter. Increasing with its radius, so differentiate with respect to r. So dV by dr is equal to dV divided by dr is equal to 4 pi by 3 is a constant, 3r square only. Don't write into dr by dt. If you are differentiating with respect to t, then write into dr by dt. But here we are differentiating with respect to r only. So differentiate with respect to r means 3r square only. 3 get cancel. That is 4 pi r square dV divided by dr. already R value is given, so 4 pi into 100, that is 400 pi. Can you tell me its unit? dV divided by dr is equal to, volume is measured in cubic centimeter, divided by, in the denominator radius is there, it is measured in centimeter. Volume of this sphere is increasing at the rate of 400 pi cubic centimeter per centimeter, because volume is changing with respect to its radius. Volume is changing with respect to its radius, cubic centimeter per centimeter. Look at the numerator. In the numerator V is there, V unit cubic centimeter, divided by, in the denominator radius is there, it is, its unit is centimeter. Volume of the sphere is increasing at the rate of 400 pi cubic centimeter per second. Okay, with this problem I will stop today's class. Thank you.